Hello everyone, my name is of course Davestir and welcome to today's video, guys. I know it's been a few days, few weeks since I was up with a video, but guys, I'm back making videos, you know what I'm saying? Cause I've been doing prelims, I've got one more prelim left on Wednesday and then I'm finished and then I can do all my videos again. So I thought I would start back making a video on the Crep queue. You know guys, I don't usually do sneaker videos, but I've started a new thing on my channel that I'm going to be doing whole loads of different stuff. I'm going to be doing tech videos, I'm going to be doing gaming videos, I'm going to be doing sneaker videos, fashion videos, gaming stuff, a whole load of stuff, a lot of different genres, different tastes, different stuff, everything I'm going to cover on my channel. So I know a lot of YouTubers, they only have one genre. It's like you get like a gaming YouTuber or you get a sneaker YouTuber. I'm going to be every single one of them, every genre. So that's how we're going to start off 2018, we're going to do every single genre. So back on the YouTube range, you know what I'm saying? Lots of videos are coming, so let's start today's video off. So I'm going to be doing, as you may see, these shoes are a pair of Jordan 3 True Blues and they're absolutely disgusting. They're all dirty, all scuffed up. They've got so much dirt all over them. I went out in a photo shoot in Glasgow and it was absolutely like pouring the rain and it was all dirty and I was going through different terrain and stuff like that, and all the basically get messed up. I shouldn't have worn them. It was my own fault. I should have worn a pair of Vans or something like that, but I ended up wearing them and they got all dirt all around them. So I bought this. This is not a brand ambassador, this is not me pushing this brand, but how to use it and a review of the Crep Protect Cure. This is a Crep Protect Cure. It's like it's called the ultimate shoe cleaner. I've used it a few times, but I thought you guys might want to see it in a video. This is not obviously nothing to do with Crep Protect. I'm just making a video on how to use it and stuff like that. It's like you're obviously the average consumer of someone using it. So you guys can see this really genuine and not like fake or anything like that. So show you guys how to use it, what you come in, price of it, stuff like that, and I'll show you guys the before and after of the shoes. So I'm going to show you guys some clips of the before of the shoes and then we'll do the cleaning part of it, the whole process, and then we'll show you the after shoes and you can see how much it impacts it and how much it actually works. So yeah, without further ado, let's jump straight into the video. So first of all, what you want to do is you want to take away all the laces. So I'm going to take away all the laces, you know what I'm saying, all the laces here. Just take them off obviously, like that, take them off in both shoes. So yeah, I'll start with this. Now the laces now took off, so it makes it easier to clean, and also you can get in between the tongue and stuff like that, and then we'll clean the laces. If you guys want, I have a separate video that I could make on how to make white laces be super white. I mean like by bleaching your laces, that you can do, but I wouldn't just go ahead and just bleach them because it is quite difficult, not quite difficult, but you need to watch what you're doing because you could mess up your laces, especially if you bought like new laces or whatever and you don't want to get them, if you bought like expensive laces or whatever, or the laces you can't really get for shoes, you know what I'm saying, you don't want to mess them up. So I could do this video. If you guys do want that, all you gotta do is smash like button, comment below, and I will do how you bleach your laces to make them like that perfect bit white. So jump into the cleaning part of it, let's go. So what we need is all I need is a small bottle of a small bowl of like just warm water, you know what I'm saying, make sure it's warm. And then what you gotta do is you gotta dip your brush in it, make sure it's wet. We're gonna start with just the first shoe, you know, so I'm gonna put this one to the side for just now. What I'm gonna do is clean the one shoe. There's no really any point in me cleaning the two ones because I don't want to bore you guys, you know what I'm saying. I need to stop saying what you're saying. I don't want to bore you by just cleaning the one shoe, and also I can show a comparison. So obviously when you're cleaning them, clean both shoes. So take the solution, right? So what you gotta do is you get the solution out. Get a brush and just pour it on with 1, 2, and then just pick the squirt of it. I take it and then bring your shoe to the side, put your hand on your shoulder so just to support it, and then just start doing it on the side, a kind of circling motion to remove all the dirt. Right? Just start moving it. put some elbow grease in there as well. Remove. Get it back in the water. Put some elbow grease in there, you know. And you want to put your, just keep repeating your steps, repeating and repeating. Make sure I keep it nice and soapy. If it starts to go like this, not as soapy obviously, start to do it, and then when you can't really see, you know, use the cloth that it comes with, you know, use the microfabric cloth, and then you just wipe it and see what you've got. And you can get all the dirt. All you do is continue to see, obviously. It's like here's a speck of dirt here, so all you got to do is not just move, try and get in between all of that, but you need to use your fingers not to just use them. And then the other side, turn, get all dirt. If you feel that if there's like dirt, obviously more bits, you also need to put more solution on and really scrub it if it does become that. But these are quite easy to clean. The leather is quite easy to clean. I felt as well. Don't be afraid of damaging your material. What I have noticed, if you are doing like an ultra boost or a shoe with boost, like show and boost, like an NMD or an ultra boost, I would watch out with scrubbing the boost, because I felt that using certain brushes on boost, it sometimes like fades it a little bit and makes it a little bit more, I think it messes up a little bit. I felt it makes it look quite rugged, so just watch when you're doing that. I done that with ultra boost and it didn't ruin them, but it just made them a little bit like rugged. Just at the boost area on the upper it was alright, but on the boost area it's a little bit. They just look about, just use the fibre thing, it takes all the soap away. So inside if you've got air, you should use like an air bubble or whatever. It's inside us, but the wee corner in there, and you get the air out, hanging the air out. I'm saying, clean your shoes, you know, take care of them. You want to keep your shoes clean, you know what I'm saying. You got to keep them clean and fresh, you know, because if you are spending a lot of money on your shoes, you obviously want to keep them clean. For the pricing of the just the cure kit, I'm sure it's like 20. I think it's £20, so that's like, I don't know, like $25 US. So I don't know. Don't quote me on that. I don't know exactly what the current exchange rate is, but this is about £20 in sterling pounds. So it's like UK, obviously. That's how much it costs. So and just see that is just, you know what I'm saying, like really take care of it and make sure that all the dirt is away. Inside here as well. Make sure all that's all clean. Also, you can clean your soles as well. This is us finally done. So what I would do is I would leave this to dry. And do the other one. So I forgot to mention the laces. The laces, what I would do is I would just put them in the hot water and scrub them with the hot water to make sure that they're nice and clean again. Just put in the hot water, just like that, let them soak in for a little bit, and then use the thing and just scrub at them. That's what I would recommend doing for your laces. So I will show you guys some close-ups of the shoe and how you think it has came out. I think it's come out very, very well. It took away a lot of the dirt. It's done very well. So Crep Protect Cure, 100% I'd recommend buying it. It's got my approval. Guys, if you did enjoy the video, please smash the like button, subscribe below if you're not already. It's completely free to subscribe, by the way. All you gotta do is make a YouTube account or a Google account, your email, password, name, all that kind of stuff. Completely free to make a YouTube account. Make an account, subscribe below, put the notifications on as well, and you can see my videos when they upload. So I'm uploading every other day now. I'm going to make many videos as I can, so please subscribe below. We're trying to hit 500 subscribers, so let's do it. I know you guys can do it. So thanks for watching the video, and I'll see you guys tomorrow with another